Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare replica versus authentic soccer jerseys. Understanding the distinctions between these two types of jerseys is crucial for any fan. Authentic jerseys are precisely what professional players wear during matches, engineered for peak performance. Replica jerseys, on the other hand, are crafted for supporters, providing a comfortable and more affordable way to show team pride. We will explore their differences in fabric, fit, and overall construction to guide your decision. Authentic jerseys are built for the demands of professional play. They incorporate high-performance, ultra-lightweight, and sweat-wicking fabrics, often 100% polyester, to keep players cool and dry during intense matches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fit is notably slim and athletic, designed to reduce drag and enhance agility on the pitch. 1, 3, 4. Badges and logos are typically heat-pressed, creating a smooth, seamless feel that adds minimal weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Replica jerseys are crafted with the fan in mind, emphasizing comfort and durability for casual wear. 1, 2, 3, 7. They feature a more relaxed, looser fit, making them ideal for wearing in the stands or everyday life. 1, 3, 4. The fabrics are generally a bit heavier and more robust, designed to withstand frequent washing and wear. 1, 2, 3. Unlike authentic versions, crests and logos on replicas are usually embroidered or sewn on, providing a classic look and feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. The choice between an authentic and a replica jersey ultimately depends on your personal preferences and how you plan to wear it. If you seek the exact performance and feel of a professional player's kit, with its advanced materials and athletic fit, an authentic jersey is your best bet, though it will cost more, perhaps 45 to 70% more. 2, 3. For everyday comfort, a relaxed fit, and a more economical price, the replica jersey is an excellent choice. 1, 2, 3. Both are officially licensed, so you can proudly support your team. 1, 5, 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.